For our first project, we're going to be using some cement powder, toilet paper rolls, candlesticks, and a hot glue gun. And this is my favorite brand of cement. It is pre-sifted and super smooth. And I just wanted to share with you guys how the larger roll is actually from a toilet paper roll, and then the other one is the store-bought Amazon roll. So I just wanted to show you the size comparison for those. So what I'm starting off by doing is taking my toilet paper rolls and pressing them against a little piece of cardboard, and I am going to be gluing around the outside edge just to create a very secure, tight bond. And I don't want any glue on the inside because we are essentially creating a mold for our cement. So you're gonna wanna pipe the hot glue around the outside edge and just let that dry for about 10 or so minutes until it is fully dry. And then we're gonna be mixing up our concrete powder with some water. And you guys can kind of see the consistency that I go for. I just go for like a very smooth, silky consistency as seen here. And when it reaches that consistency, it is very satisfactory. So I'm going to be scooping this in, and don't worry if you get it on the outside edge, that will all break off once it is fully dry. And I used a popsicle stick actually just to kind of make sure that the cement was just everywhere inside of the mold. And I also suggest to repeatedly tap the actual cement mold up and down on top of a tabletop. And as you can see here, I actually use Vaseline because a lot of you guys mentioned in one of my cement fails in the past that I should use Vaseline on whatever I am putting in the cement and it will come out easily. However, when these were dry, I'm gonna let you guys know right now, it did not come out, but that is no worry because candlesticks are super inexpensive and I would gladly remake these again. So for my next one, I'm actually varying the heights of the cement. So this one's going to be a full one that is completely filled up with cement. So I push my candlestick about 2 inches down in, and I'm using a popsicle stick to scrape off any excess on the top. And then I am moving on to the smallest one, and I only added about maybe 2 inches of cement in that one, pressed it down in, let it dry overnight completely, and then this was very satisfying as well. You can just cut away the mold, and this cardboard is really nice. It just peels away super, super easily, and once you get that big chunk, it is so nice. Like, look at how this unwraps, and I am just absolutely obsessed with these. I tried to pull out the candlestick to see if I would be able to just reuse these and put the candlestick back inside, but they didn't come out. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I can use to kind of create a non-stick bond with whatever I'm placing into the cement, please let me know. And if there is any leftover cardboard or you just want to smooth the surface of your cement, you can give a light sanding with some sandpaper and that will finish these off. These turned out super, super cute and I am obsessed with the vibe.